Okay, good morning all. Let's start with the lesson. Um, we were on digital documentation, so we'll continue with the same. First of all, I would like to share the book with you people. So last session we did was the inserting and modifying images, right? So we have done this. I'll just show you exactly how it works with the one Word file. So let me just share one blank file with you. Okay. Now, how do we insert images? First was we can insert it with the clip art option. For that, you have to go to Insert tab on the top. There's an illustration group, and we have a clip art option, right? The moment you click on this clip art, you will get one panel on the right side from where you can search for any kind of clip art option. Like if I want a flower, so I'll type flower here and click on Go button, right? It will try to search all sort of flowers which are available. Now, actually, where does these files basically are? From where it search, you can see just there's a drop down list here. If you click here, पहला है illustrations, photographs, videos, audios. So it will give you all categories, right? If you want only photographs, बाकी चीजें निकाल दो. Remove the selection and click on photograph only. And if you want videos also related to flowers, audio files related to flowers, right? So you can select as per your choice, right? And there's one more checkbox here, include office.com content. If you do or do not select this, then it will only show the images which are available in the software. And if you select this, it will also search the images from the Microsoft website, okay, office.com website. Fine. So whichever image you want to add, you just click on that, and that image will be added automatically. As you can see, I've just clicked on this flower, so the image has been added. Now all the images can be formatted. Formatting के लिए सबसे पहले ऊपर है picture styles. Now all these styles are basically predefined styles where we have fixed sort of borders, so you can apply the border whichever you want, right? Just click on the border, that border will be applied. As you can see, the border has been applied. One thing I told you that these options, all formatting options lies in the format tab. और format tab तभी work करती है जब आप picture insert करते हो, right? Otherwise format tab is not visible. Fine. So we can change the border as and when required. I'll just change it to show you once more. Like this is another border. There's no line basically. वो थोड़ा blurry effects है corners पे और circular form है. You can see this. Fine. So likewise, you can apply. Moreover, there's an option called as picture border here. Right now, this will change the color of the border. Right now, the color is white. So if you want to change the color, you can change the color. I'm changing it to red. So the border color will change. Right, you can see the border color is now red. Likewise, we have some other effects also, like this is glow effect, soft edges, reflection effect, right? I'll show you reflection. Right now, there's no reflection. You can see at the bottom, there's no reflection. So I'll add up reflection from here. So the moment you add up reflection, you'll find some reflection of this image just below it. Fine. You can see this reflection has come. Then we can also crop the image. Cropping means you just want to remove some unwanted portion of the image, right? So for that, we also have option here in the format tab itself. Software is a bit slow, so that's why not showing the option right now. Now see it. Now this is crop option. It lies in the size group of the format tab. Click on this crop. The moment you click, you'll find certain handles, black color handles on all corners. So just by dragging these handles, you can crop the image. Cropping means removing unwanted part of the image. Right? Likewise, you can see I'm just removing the side part. Once cropping is done, click anywhere outside the image so that cropping will be applied. Right? Click outside so that crop is applied now. So likewise, this is how we add up a image from the clip art. We also have option to insert an image from computer, right? For that, we have to go to insert tab, illustrations group. You'll find pictures option. Right click on the picture, just left click on the picture option, and it will ask you to search for the image. There's an insert picture dialog box which comes up, or insert picture dialog box may you need to search the image, you have to browse it, right? Look for the image, like pictures में ये कुछ images हैं, right? So you can just choose the image, double click on that image will be added. Fine. Like if this is one certificate, image of a certificate, so you can just click on insert button, so that image is added, right? Then formatting features we can apply as we have just seen. Okay, moving back to the book. So we have just seen how do we add up images, clip arts and all we have done, clip arts and adding images, cropping, and deleting also. We can simply delete it by pressing the delete button from the keyboard. Let's move on to the next session. Here we have inserting drawing objects and then changing their properties. So drawing objects can also be inserted from the insert tab. Go to insert tab, go to illustrations group. Just next to the clip art, you'll find the shapes option. So click on shapes. You'll get a list of different shapes, as you can see here in this figure. And whichever shape you want to add up, you just click or choose that shape, then drag your mouse on the keyboard to draw the shape. Right? Click and drag on the mouse on the working area, so that shape will be inserted. Right? Again, we have formatting features related to shapes in the format tab. Right? So same feature, shape styles will find. Styles are ready-made styles where background color or border colors are already there. You just have to choose them, or there are options called as shape fill. Shape fill will fill the color inside the shape. Then there's an option called as shape outline. So from there we can change the color of the outline which is there in the shape की जो outline है, border line है. And then again we have shape effects. There's a picture effects there, reflection and all. So such kind of effects can also be added, right? So this is Grow effect, as you can see, 3D effect, right? Outline color we have changed here. This is shape fill color we have done, right? So after filling the color, you'll find the image will be filled with the particular color that you have selected. यहाँ पे border color change हो गया. ये हमने 3D effect डाला. ये grow effect है, right? Shape effects, then 3D effects are also there. 3D, three-dimensional, as you can see here. You can apply that also. Then how do we add a text? If I want to write something in between this shape, इसके अंदर मुझे कुछ लिखना है. So what should I do? Just right click this image. There's an option called as add text. You see here in this figure. Right click the object. यहाँ पे एक option है add text. Click on this option. Then the cursor starts blinking inside. Then you can type. So whatever you type, that goes to that object, right? Similarly, how do we add up symbols? Symbols क्या है? Symbols are basically characters, right? That basically used to enhance the document, right? जैसे dollars के symbol हो गया, rupee का symbol हुआ, mathematical symbols if you want to add, pi का sign डालना है, sigma का sign डालना है. So if you want to add certain symbols, then we also have this option. And again, we need to go to insert tab. Or symbols doesn't lies in illustration groups, it lies in the symbols group. Symbol group बिल्कुल last में होता है, right most, right? तो वहाँ पे symbol icon है. This is the symbol icon. Click on this, you will find some symbols here, the frequently used symbols here. And if you want some other symbol, then go to the more symbols option, and you'll find this dialog box will come up from where you can search, right? You can scroll up and down to find out the exact symbol that you want to add and click on insert button. That symbol will be added, right? चलो मैं आपको वर्ड में भी ये करके दिखाता हूँ. I go to insert shapes. Now let's say I want to draw the star, 5-point star. Click here. Once the option is selected, drag the mouse on the screen, click and drag, so that shape will be added, right? And then we can change the styles. Shape styles are there, different color, different border, right? So you can choose anyone, whichever you want to, right? Like this is the one I'm choosing. Or you can change the color from the fill shape fill option, right? If I want to make it green, I'll select green color from here. Shape outline, boundary line of that shape will change. Like I'm choosing blue. Now the outline is very thin, so it is not visible right now. So you can also increase the size. So there's an option called as weight in this outline. Click on weight. You can increase the size of the line, border line, outline. Of course, shape effects. This is glow effect. You can find glowy kind of effect there outside. Or last option is 3D. You can make it 3-dimensional, right? Like this. Fine. So effects can be added. Then resizing of this image can be done from these corner handles. You can increase and decrease the size, right? We have handles on all sides, top, all 4 corners, all 4 sides. So you can increase and decrease the size of object. Similarly, we can increase and decrease the size of the pictures also. Pictures भी हम लोग ऐसे increase decrease कर सकते हैं, right? Talking about symbols, if you want to add some symbol, go to insert. The last option in this insert tab is symbols group, where we have 2 options, equation and symbol. Click on the symbol option. You'll find certain symbols here which are frequently used. Let's say pi ka symbol hai. Click karo, that symbol is added. ठीक है, मैं I'll just increase the size so that you can see this, right? Or if you want some more symbols, go to symbol option. There's a more symbol button. You'll find these are some of the symbols. You just scroll up and down and you'll find different kind of symbols. So whichever you want to add up, you can just select it from here, right? One more thing I want to add up, that जैसे मैं बोला था rupee का symbol we can add, but rupee symbol it should be installed in the system, only then it is available. Microsoft का जो original version है, they will find that rupee symbol is there, but in the older versions we don't have the rupee symbols. So for that we need to install that symbols, right? See this, these other symbols are there, right? And I have 2010 version, so इसमें rupee symbol है, ये रहा, ठीक है? Older version में ये नहीं available है. So just click on this, rupee symbol is added. So likewise we can add all other symbols also. Moving to the next topic, resizing and grouping of object. Now grouping, resizing अभी हमने देखा, ठीक है? Corner handles हैं, you can just drag the handles to increase and decrease the size. That is easy, but the important thing is grouping of object. Grouping of objects बहुत important है, because every time you'll find one question related to grouping, right? Grouping ध्यान से समझना, it's very important. Grouping means like if I want 2-3 images to be connected, so that if I drag one image, other also, they are also dragged. If I would try to increase the size of one image, बाकियों का size भी increase हो. So this is that means we group them together, right? So how do we group them? So simply there are two ways. One is आप arrange group के अंदर you'll find grouping option, as you can see here in this figure also. So just select all the items, then click on this group option and click on group. So इससे तीनों एक ग्रुप में बन जाएंगे, ठीक है? सिलेक्शन के टाइम पे आपको ये तीन चीजें दिखेंगी, जब आप ग्रुप कर दोगे तो ये सिंगल बॉर्डर्स दिखेंगे सबके, right? That means they all are connected now. Another way, and the simpler way, is select all the objects, right click, and there's an option to group, right? Right click and you see group here. Click on group and click on group option, so that objects will be grouped together, right? तो ग्रुपिंग का फायदा क्या है? रीसाइज करना इजी है, सबको एक साथ रीसाइज कर सकते हो, राइट? जस्ट ड्रैगिंग द हैंडल ऑफ एनी वन ऑब्जेक्ट, बाकियों के साइज भी ऑटोमेटिकली इंक्रीज डिक्रीज हो जाएंगे. एंड इफ यू वांट टू अनग्रुप अगेन, वापस उसको अनग्रुप करना है, तो यहीं पे ऑप्शन है, राइट क्लिक, ग्रुप, और सेकंड ऑप्शन इज अनग्रुप. और यू कैन सी हियर आल्सो